host, Paula Flores with Keller Williams Miami Beach and the Gotta Love Miami real estate team. And today I'm going to show you the Miami you don't know. We're going to go meet my good friend Rodrigo Butori, also known as Plastic Fisherman. The tools and materials for his art, the plastic he cleans up from the beaches every day.
Hey, Paula.
Hi, my friend. Thanks so much for meeting with us. How did this idea of Plastic Fisherman and turning plastic into art came to you?
Well, look around us.
Yeah.
Isn't this pretty?
Amazing.
So yeah, I love the ocean, Paula. It has been a cornerstone of my life. And I wanted to give back somehow. So one day I was reading this statement, there will be more plastic than fish in our oceans, which is a very, very sad. What I started doing was I started creating fish with the plastic I cleaned up here at this beach. And posting on Instagram and saying, hey people, if you don't pay attention, this is the kind of fish that we're going to be seeing in our oceans from now on, right?
Can you tell us a little bit more to see how people can get involved in this initiative? Because it's a worldwide movement now, right?
Yes, it is a worldwide movement. We are in 94 countries that have submitted fishes, if you want to call that. And we call this activity plastic fishing, and it's very, very simple. Anybody can participate. So basically what we ask people to do is every time they go to a beach, that they clean up a few pieces of plastic, make a fish with that plastic, then take a picture of the fish they made, post it on Instagram with the hashtag plastic fishing, and then dispose of it properly, right?
I want to go plastic fishing. Can you help me? I don't know if I'm very good.
Let's go plastic fishing. Join me.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do this.
Now we take a picture.
Yeah.
And then we post it on Instagram, right?
With the hashtag plastic fishing.
Okay, but there's also art in real estate, and we are about to step into the luxurious realm of a $9 million apartment listed by my talented friend Kim Rodstein. But before, I need to dress up the part. So this apartment is in the exclusive city of Bal Harbour. Get ready to experience exquisite high-end living in Miami. Let's go meet my friend Kim. Hey Kim!
Hey Paula!
Wow, Kim, this is truly a masterpiece. Can you tell us a little bit about the unique features of this apartment?
Well, let me show you.
Awesome. Wow, Kim, this view is spectacular.
It is impressive. So you have 100 linear feet of direct ocean front from this balcony.
100 linear feet? Wow. Tell us a little bit about the lifestyle it offers.
So we're at the One Bal Harbour, which is one of the most prestigious buildings in the neighborhood. It's also connected to the Ritz-Carlton, which has 5-star amenities such as 2 pools, beach and pool service.
So Miami's magic is revealed in every piece of art and real estate. As we say goodbye to another American Dream TV episode, please remember that Miami's heartbeat is not just in its big events, but in the passion and dedication of its people. Stay tuned for another episode of The Miami You Don't Know. Goodbye and stay curious.